Well, it's mid-September. What are you doing today? These guys are going at it. And you know what? He's even got some women who work for him. And he said sometimes their hands are even quicker than the guys, which is kind of amazing. Where's the fire? You know, they run sometimes. There's no fire. The fire's in their belly. That's where the fire is. Let's see, he's spreading it out to fill up all the voids because they know approximately how much they'll get tonnage-wise out of one of these gondolas. And he's also picking out the leaves. Wineries hate the leaves. You get too many leaves in there, you start getting a bad name, and people don't want your grapes. So they've got someone here full time. He just sits here and picks this stuff out, waits for the next batch, looks at that, sorts it out. I like that. That's good. Keep it going.
Horrible con las patas chuecas.
¡Quiero!
¡Véngase para este lado, hijos! A las dos, güey. ¡Ey! Tenías que no voy a bañarme a la casa y me voy a regresar para atrás, güey. Voy a echarle de comer a Jerry, güey. No. Nomás agarra los dos surcos. Apaga su lado, viejo, ya. ¿Ya se llena?
Ven, ya se llenó, vámonos, Recio. Deja llena.
Aguántate, honguito, aguántate, viejo. Mira tú, cara de perro. Mira, nomás, háganse una, Darío.
That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.